QQ, I want to take you back to 2006. A video came across my Instagram a while ago. Stone Love, Ricky General's birthday,
Yeah.
Sizzla. One of the first times I actually seen you DJ wrong song. Actually, you DJ'd and you sang. You remember that night?
Ricky General birthday, but yeah. That was 06?
06.
It was?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Either 06 or 05, one of them. But yeah, I remember the night, man. Ricky General, you know, the on Elsha Beach. And the man they love youth. When him see youth, him cheer for youth and encourage youth, you know what I mean? And I'm in Jamaica, you know, I'm looking for my break, same way. So everyone me a DJ and thing, and you know, Sizzla did it, and Ricky General say, yo, Dada, you know, say, I could juvie there and thing, give me a run, and you know, Kalonji, a next great artist will love youth and cheer for youth, and you know what I mean? I go always support other artists. Say, yo, I'll go juvie there, you know, and you know, them say a child for lead the way, and we believe in the youth, and rare. I remember get to touch it, and I touch it. And, you know, Kalonji love the energy and grab at the bike and just DJ something to, you know what I mean? And there and then, it developed a great confidence in me, because for Sizzla Kalonji, a giant like him can acknowledge my presence and, you know, my ability right there and then, you know, I was astonished. And ever since that, man, me respect and love for Kalonji and Ricky General is through the roof. You know what I mean?
You could see you were poised, and you were, it's not like you were trying a thing. You were DJing and singing like a big man them time, boss. And I'm, you know, hold up, selector, pull up, you know. And just still cool when you're taking your forward, you're just still cool. You're not hyping, you're not doing nothing crazy. I said, look,
Yeah.
QQ.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.